Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 Jazz EX Hybrid. Now of course this is the 1.5 self-charging hybrid, and as you can see it does have full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. You also get front LED fog lights and 4 front parking sensors as standard as well. You then get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every one. But moving around to the rear now, as you can see, it is on a 22. But moving into the rear, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've then got a reversing camera just up at the top there. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got the cloth grey with black leather interior. We've then got Isofix mounting points at the bottom with full electric automatic windows all round. We've got full keyless entry and keyless start as standard as well, with your electric handbrake in the middle just here. You've got your brake hold and your economy mode as well. You've then got your CVT gearbox in the middle, with 2 USB ports, one for charging and one for using your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats, and then we've also got your 9.5-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation, your various audio sources just there, and of course your Bluetooth hands-free. Moving over to the steering wheel now. We've got your volume, voice assistant, track select, and then the buttons in the middle. So the return, the button, the bezel, and the home button all control your onboard computer. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. And then you also have your heated steering wheel button just below. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. But as you can see, this car has only done 5,967 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.